how much should you actually spend on a luxury smart bidet toilet seat? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Brondell Swash Eco Seat. First up is the Brondell Bidet Toilet Seat Non-Electric Swash Eco Seat, priced at $89.99. What caught my attention was its dual nozzle system and the fact that it doesn't require electricity. If you want a simple, refreshing clean without any fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bidet offers a soothing freshwater wash that leaves you feeling clean and rejuvenated. With 4.3 stars from over 10,800 reviews, it's a bestseller. Plus, its easy installation means you won't need a plumber, just a few minutes of your time and you'll be good to go. The mounting plate, hardware, and user manual are all included, making it super user-friendly. Now, some people complained about the lack of heated water. Here's the thing though, this bidet is perfect for those who appreciate simplicity and sustainability. If you're okay with cold water, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still feels upscale. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like heated seats or warm air dryers, but honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the lack of heat bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Leivi Electric Bidet. Next up is the Leivi Electric Bidet Toilet Seat with a price tag of $239.98. I was impressed by its wireless remote and the adjustable heated seat. If you want a premium bathroom experience, this is definitely a contender. With features like adjustable warm water washing and multiple spray modes, this bidet caters to your every need. The warm air dryer and auto LED nightlight add a touch of luxury that transforms your bathroom into a mini spa. Its 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews shows it's well-loved. The dual control system makes it especially easy for everyone, including the elderly and pregnant users. Now, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get it right, it's worth it. The convenience and comfort it offers far outweigh the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want full control over your cleansing experience. Skip it if you need a simple setup without all the bells and whistles, but for those who appreciate comfort, it's a solid pick. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for true luxury. Product number 3, Bidet BB 2000 Bliss. Now let's talk about the Bidet BB 2000 Bliss, priced at $459. This one really caught my eye due to its luxurious features like endless warm water and a built-in deodorizer. If you're looking for a top-tier bidet experience, this is where luxury meets functionality. This bidet offers endless warm water and a warm air dryer, which significantly reduces your toilet paper use. The wireless remote allows you to customize your wash settings easily. With a 4.5-star rating from 4,200 reviews, it's been recognized as the best bidet overall by Forbes. The self-cleaning nozzle and easy DIY installation make it user-friendly. Some folks expressed concerns about the price being steep. Here's the thing though, you're investing in a high-quality product that offers a spa-like experience at home. If you value comfort and luxury, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for those who want every feature a bidet can offer. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but honestly, if you can stretch for it, it could change your bathroom experience. Now, if that price is a bit high for you, the next product might strike a better balance. Product number 4, Smart Bidet SB1000. Next is the Smart Bidet SB1000, priced at $279.99. This one stood out to me because of its energy-saving mode and customizable water experience. If you're looking for a feature-rich bidet at a reasonable price, this could be it. With adjustable water pressure, temperature, and nozzle positioning, it caters to everyone's preferences. On top of that, it has a solid 4.4-star rating from 3,300 reviews, showing it's well-received. Its ease of installation is a big plus too, saving you time and effort. However, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a quiet bidet experience, this might be a slight drawback. But if you want a solid performance with plenty of options, it shouldn't hold you back. This is perfect for anyone seeking a customizable and efficient cleansing option. Skip this if you prefer a quieter model, but overall, you get a lot for your money here. Now, if you're still craving that luxury feel, let's check out the last one. Product number 5, TOTO WSHLET C5. Finally, we have the TOTO WSHLET C5 priced at $410. This one is impressive with its PREMIST feature and self-cleaning wand. If you're all about innovation and cleanliness, this is definitely worth your attention. The adjustable warm water settings and powerful air deodorizer provide a refreshing experience that leaves you feeling clean every time. The remote control with user memory settings adds convenience, and it has a 4.4-star rating from 4,000 reviews, which speaks to its reliability. It's designed to fit most elongated toilets and is user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone. Some users have mentioned that it takes a while to get used to all the features. Here's the thing though, once you understand the settings, it offers a truly tailored experience that's hard to beat. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals or anyone who values cleanliness and innovation. Skip this if you prefer something simpler, but if you want a truly luxurious experience, it's well worth it. So there you have it. The Brondell Swash Eco Seat is perfect for budget-conscious buyers. The Leivi offers a great mix of luxury and function, while the Bidet BB 2000 Bliss takes comfort to the next level. The Smart Bidet SB 1000 provides solid performance at a reasonable price, and the TOTO WSHLET C5 delivers innovative cleaning solutions. Whatever your preference or budget, there's a luxury bidet seat that's just right for you.